vomit at night, or you might start vomiting at night, it will give you this instant relief while you look for a solution, or while you wait to see if it's going to continue so you can take a child to the hospital. So
with no more I'm sinking, take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers, take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to show you one home remedy that you can use to stop vomiting. If you're vomiting at home, like you're frequently vomiting, or your child is frequently vomiting, I want to show you a home remedy, something that you can use to stop the vomiting instantly while waiting to go to the hospital or waiting to take your child to the pharmacy to get some medication. This is home remedy. Is a drink that we all know is a very popular drink, and it's very important that we have this drink at home, because sometimes your child might vomit at night, or you might start vomiting at night. It will give you this instant relief while you look for a solution, or while you wait to see if it's going to continue so you can take a child to the hospital. So today I'm going to be talking about Coca-Cola. I know we all know about Coca-Cola. Yes, it's a very popular drink that everyone knows about it. So if you can always have Coca-Cola in your house, and if your child is vomiting, when I say vomiting, like they have vomited for like maybe 3 times or more than 4 times, or if you yourself you have been vomiting for more than 3 or 4 times in a day, you can give them this. So how it actually works is that when you open this can of Coca-Cola, or the bottle, or whatever that Coca-Cola that you have, when you open it, you want to make sure that the gas inside is, like, when you open it, let it to become flat a little bit. Or you can put it in the cup, and when you put Coca-Cola in the cup, there's going to be like this foam, this gassy thing, because Coca-Cola contains a lot of gas. It's a carbonated drink, so you want to make sure that it is flat first before you give it to your child, or before you take it, especially to your child, guys, because the carbonated drinks, they contain a lot of gas. If you give them like that, it might instead cause upset their stomach. Instead of giving them that relief from vomiting, it might later upset their stomach because of the gas inside. So make sure that when you open it, you can leave it for a while so that the gas can come out, or when you put it in the drink, in the glass, you allow the gas to come out, you let it to become flat before you give it to your child. And now this Coca-Cola is not a rehydration drink. Like when your child is vomiting, or when you are vomiting, it is not something that you give them to rehydrate them. Then normally they will say give your child a lot of fluids, give them ORS, that is oral rehydration solution. This is not an ORS. This is not the fluids that they will advise you to give to your children. Give them fluids. That means a lot of water. Give them milk. If you're breastfeeding, breastfeed them. But soda and carbonated drinks, it is not a rehydration solution that you give your child. Take note, please. This Coca-Cola is just to cut off that vomiting. It's just to relieve the child from vomiting. It's an instant relief. It is not a rehydration solution. Like, you don't have to give your child this Coca-Cola throughout the day to replace the fluid that they have lost. All right, it is not advisable because it's a carbonated drink. It contains a lot of gas. So you just give them a small quantity just to alleviate that vomiting. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. This is a home remedy. It is instant. I mean, when you give it to your child, it is going to stop the vomiting. But if you give it and the vomiting continues, I will advise you to take your child to the hospital. And of course, make sure, like I said, this drink is not a rehydration solution. You don't give your child to replace the fluid. Give them a lot of water while they're vomiting. Give them a lot of milk. Breastfeed them. Avoid giving them fruits and carbonated drinks. This one is just for an instant relief, which the quantity is going to be very small. You don't have to give them all the can, or you don't have to give them all the bottle. When you open this, you give them just a little bit. to stop the vomiting. So if you're watching this video, if this is your first time clicking on this video, thank you for clicking on this video today. My name is Gilly James. Do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. It's right down below this video in red. Of course, the notification bell is going to come up. Click the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to watch it. For my returning viewers, I say thank you. I appreciate your love and your support. Thank you for clicking on this video today. God bless you all. Drop your comments down below this video to let me know what you think about this video. If you enjoy watching this video, of course, give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to share this video. Share this video. It is very important. It might help someone. It might help a soul. And as you do so, God bless you. I will see you again in my next video. To have a great day. Bye.